Hello, good morning. Today is June 10, 2025, and today I'm gonna harvest my long beans, or in English you call it asparagus beans. So or they call the Balatong in Bisaya. So in Tagalog they call the Sitaw. So it's best to harvest your asparagus beans or long beans in the right time, because if not, then if you harvest every time the right time, then you produce more long beans. But if not, then they focus on putting a seed. So you don't want that, because you grow this to have harvest some beans, not to having a seeds. So this is my long beans. So it's been since I harvest this 1 week. I think it's 1 week, and I have another long beans like this. So it's pretty good. So you can make a stir fry, or in Filipino they like to make adobo on this because it's tasty. It's their favorite, and you can put it in the soup also to make like beef or chicken. Treat it like as a normal beans, different kind of beans. You can put it in. Also, some people put it in the pancit or glass noodles or rice noodles. So this is my harvest for today, my asparagus beans, and I'm gonna make adobo for this. Bye.